Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Android Auto not working. First and foremost, what you have to do is launch your settings, scroll all the way below and select apps. And you will see a list of all the applications that you have in your device. You have to search for Android Auto specifically. So select the search button right here, type in Android Auto, you will see it at the top page. Go ahead and open it and make sure that you have allowed permissions. For example, to use Android Auto, you will be needing location, call logs, or maybe some microphones as well, and nearby devices. Now, once you have done that, come back onto your phone settings, tap at the search button, and type in Android Auto. As you do that, you will see connected devices. Go for Android Auto, again, select Android Auto. And right here, what you have to do is make sure that this is toggled on, and this is toggled on as well. Select Connect a Vehicle. Go ahead, connect your USB, follow the on-screen prompt, and it will work properly. Thank you for watching.